So I've told Lucy the license plate letters and numbers, but she hasn't found her car yet. Just, I am videotaping. That's a clue that we're warmer, I guess, because it's got a G in it and an F in it and a J in it and some numbers and.
I don't know what this one is.
It's a Porsche Cayenne. That ain't it.
That truck has gotta be a Porsche.
Maybe a Ford Escape. Those are nice. Nope, it's not a Tesla. Yeah, I know where I park now. I know where I park. You just have to find where I park. You last said you wanted a Mini Cooper. Ooh, JDH. That's not it. So many possibilities. A lot of nice used cars here.
Shocking how many of these cars have one of those letters in them.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm just nervous.
There's nothing to be nervous about. No, well, no. You remember where?
Yeah. Left or right? That's how we do it. I'm getting hotter.
Hotter?
Yeah. Am I?
Well, we did not do those final cars down there.
That's not it.
That's it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Shit, are you kidding? No way.
That's it.
No, it's not.
What's this? Go try it out. Just don't step in the mud over there.
You're kidding.
It's still a little broken.
I hasn't. This is not mine. This is yours. I can't.
This is yours.
No, I cannot function. What? It moved.
Get in there. Yep, it's all you. Pretty clean.
What happened to the Ford Fusion? What?
You know, you can get the Ford Fusion for the same amount of money.
Oh my god. What?
Yep. JGF 4965. Let's go home. You can drive it now.